No.
Dali na. Bilisan mo nga. Bigay na para sa'yo. Ayaw mo.
Yak! Ayoko nito.
Ay, Jasmine, kainin mo na yan.
Sa'yo na. Wala kayo dun.
Ayaw. Not that, Jas.
No.
Why?
This is disgusting.
It's not.
I eat walking. Why would I eat walking?
Dali mo na, Diyos, ha. Huwag ka nagsasayang.
Ba't ba mabibigay sa akin?
Ikaw na nga itong binibigyan ng ano eh.
Ayoko niyan eh. Bili-bili mo ba? Okay.
Hindi, wag na akin na. Ay, tap mo na.
That song was brought to you by Simply G. Ang puti, ang lambot, amoy yayawanin. Simply G Perfume Kojic Soap and Perfume Kojic Lotion with SPF 20. Basta Perfume Kojic Soap at Perfume Kojic Lotion, Simply G. Simply G, simpleng ganda.
That song was brought to you by MX3. was brought to you by Bingo Plus.
Alam mo, hindi ko
Plus app, now with Google Play and App Store for a chance to win up to 154 million
That's him.
jackpot prize.
Did you eat the peanut?
To learn more with
Where
Bingo
is it?
Plus, Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo.
Not the first one you eat.
This is
Why?
It's like this just how. This one. Let you eat it.
I wonder why it tastes like vomit. You vomited it out.
Done, you eat it.
Kaya tunog ko mo kasi vomit.
Kinain niya mga ka-journey yung binalatan ni Ira. Ang anak ko. Na ganito. Binalatan niya. At pinakain niya kayo. Sarap. At least nga, just di na maalat, di ba? Healthy. Salty. Ah! Ito nga ma, meron pa dito para sa... No! Kainin mo na lang dyan. Ano, Iron? Ito Jasmine, no, meron dito. Hindi nga! Bago nga to! Hindi, this is that...
babalik po si Kuya. Dito sa babalik.
Dito na kami mga ka-journey. Sa Tagaytay. Ating mga national heroes yung mga ka-journey.
Kaya ba lahat yung sugigi?
Guys, busog na kami. Nakapag-makdo na kami. Di ba, Jess? Success? Yay!
Kaya ba't yung pinatay yung akin? So, aircon mo kayo.
Wag na, Jess.
Aircon!
Jess. Na.
Bakit ba? Lalamigin ko.
Kawawa sila Lola. Guguni na pa naghihintay dyan. Nag-impake ba sila? Saan ba sila papunta? Huh? Saan tayo pupunta? Guys, bababa daw kami. Kasi hindi pa siya satisfied sa mga nakikita niya in this place.
Asan ba? Asaan mo magbayay?
Parang po. So guys, we're here in Tagaytay. It's nice to be back. Now we're walking to see the view. There we go. Meron kasing nakaharang, so it's not that view. Yung ano ko. Kasama ko yung anak ko dito. Kasama ko yung kapatid. She's so small, as you can see. And si Jazz.
Yan o, nakikita ko yung kabayo.
Video mo.
Kita niyo ba?
Ganda dito mga ka-journey. Lamig. Ganda yung klima. So guys, hindi ko pala sila kasama kasi nakakahiya. Hala! Ang decision sa buhay. Ang lamig-lamig dito. Like literally. I want to live here. Just what are you doing there? Naghahanap ng gagamba. Are you looking for spiders?
No, I was looking at the temple.
Ma, can we open the ano na no? Wait, we're gonna get going na. See you guys later. Ganda yung ano dito. Ano kaya? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy? Ang birthday? Happy ba ang birthday? Yes. Oo.
Umiyak yan.
Birthday girl. Birthday girl.